Pleasure to meet you, Alex. So I understand you will be launching your first exhibition in New York City on September 13, 2019. Can you tell us a little bit about the title Exodus?
Yes, Exodus, as the definition of the name, is the immigration of individuals in a certain period of time and space.
So your pieces are neither canvas nor sculptures. How would you define the formats or composition of your pieces?
Well, I don't like to do a specific definition of the artwork because I don't like to label things. In my case, what I use are symbols and objects that I transform not only his utility, but the way the people see it as a specific object or symbol, and I translate this in a different point of view.